Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakongsan mentah kasengi kilong. Lang umat ukonrat bat kong amperin Ganesh Das Hospital. Yang triang kedorbar mau senram banyada yaka krem mau jembun. Dawa ke HYC na ke SBI ban tungkam yaki Samla ke Jylla. Ban lekmen singilat luit ki BSF dakaba penher lama yen. Tementang ini apai syaki Khubor ki bakhamnya. Menteri rangba konrat ke sangma bat kakong amprin lengdo menteri kakwat kakya haga khat saw tarik kila pri pat ba ya kajaka sumar ki khulung basitom jur badang syukha babies critical care unit Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong. Kilalang umat bat mensim habaya kendu markhmat ya kajing shisha joka jingim hakapang kasitom. Habakran hakane kajingelang menteri rangba ulaong. Ngalung ke mensim ban yo i ki khlung ki badang syukha ki bathia hakane ka critical unit ka baka sorkar kalayo ban ai ki jing sumar papaka. Na kaliang ke menteri pan kalapan pau ya ka jingkemen baka Ganesh Das Hospital menta kala kiu syaka weipat ka kenjang bat kerdan ban ai ki jing sumar ki bapaka bat ki balakot bat rengkat renyeng bat ki weipat ki jaka sumar. Kibakran hakani ke jingelang pli ki kentup ya Usampat Kumar, Principal Secretary kakwat kakya, Director Health Services Medical and Institution DHSMI, bat ka Medical Superintendent ka Ganesh Das Hospital Dr. A. Lingdo.
In the last 6 years, I recall my days in the opposition as the chairperson of the Women's Committee in the Legislative Assembly. I have had so many visits to this institution with one intention in mind, and that is to push the government to see what we have seen today. Honourable Chief Minister, sir, thank you so much for the attention that you have given to this institution. This institution has potential for achieving higher heights. So grateful to this young, dynamic group of doctors whose constant concern for the quality of services to the people of the state of Meghalaya has been their main intention, and from time to time we have had several debates and consultations. And today, Honorable CM, I stand by your side with the entire team of the DHS and the Ganesh Das Hospital to thank you and to thank the doctors and the team themselves. This will not have been achieved had it not been because of your dedicated services to ensure that today the miracle ward that the Honourable Chief Minister and I just passed through stands testimony to the dedication and the intended dream makers that you have before you in the government.
These are very huge, and therefore it's not that we can change everything in one go. But as we move along, like many of the doctors were mentioning and like we saw in the video today, that
Hakasin syong bishar balai ka Meghalaya High Court hakasingi khat saw tarik Nailar halor ka jing mudui mukadduma jong ka kenhun niam Hindu halor ka jing bam yo ya ka NOC na ka dorbar shnong mau senram ban penlong ya ka jing yat lenti yatra jong ki Hindu syakram mau jembun na kaliang urang ba shnong mau senram ba hiamdor rapsang hadin balami na yeng kasyari ula pentip baka dorbar shnong ka yeng skem halor ka nongrim namar ka krem mau jembun kamdei ka jaka maniblay jong kanu kaniam henrei ka dei ka jaka jengo kai perthei ulayat hu da ka baong ka dorbar shnong ka yeng skem ha ka nongrim ban penlong kum ka jaka jengo kai perthei ulaong ha ka bakhaddu ka jingyeng jongki halor ka nongrim kala seiso namar ba nakaliang ka kenhun ka ba mudui kala pensange no ya ka jingyat lenti yatra jongki Ulaong ru, kumbalong menta kajingya yatra kamlong shu, bat haba persang ban keli ya kadaw, na kaliang urang ba shnong ulaong, Tip ya kadau balai kita ki kenhun niam kila weng no ya kajing temu ya lenti yatra jongki.
Khubor ba na kaliang jong ka dobo shnong ke jong nila yang scam halor ka nong rep bagati ka kremo jumboin ka diga tourist spot pat ka ha po jong ka jing pet jong ka jing sumar jong ka dobo shnong mo sina pat ngim sha yano ban wan long yi kita ki program le niam le rukom ha ka diga chaka le baro ka ki tourist kila ban wan na kaleng so dong ka pathai diga chaka ni da welcome ke ha ba khaddo ka ta ka jing yang ga jong yi ha ka ta ka nong rep ka bas scam Menta nak kaliang jom kitu ki persang banwan jubor sia ketika keremo juboin kila ai ke jingtip sepo ke kur ba kila call off ia kini ke program ke joki kadi tangkata ngadi karakter nganget bakadika result ke babaha bat bau bleiru las ngap persya skor ia ke jing duai jongi kum ki traisong muslim bar ke jing duai jong ki pai ba jong gabri hinjau trap bakawai nak ki jaka kanum lait sawai pat rekan ne kan sa kum kanong gedi ke jongi ke bangilayo nadu kulong kuma na ki maintenance department ke jongi ngin beteng banak pen scam ya kan kum ka snong nang ni sakhamat ngin nang kampan bahasu shu hakabe dei be ke gram bat kani ka message ka ba comentam ya kum kari ba ka chat ka ba phai ya kani ka result mata ka si ke jingi ndengi su tana baki tehi ki bamut men pelong ya kum ki program kila pentip sekakut mentah ka singi ba kila tolaf Nam kwa ban kan sibon syafi mentah ya mentah ngai ngadi kadit betang ka jingjong khublei sibon nam ta jok firu ki bejupan kriang ki khubor na kalian jini khublei sibon
Bala sa kender yatra ta korlof no.
Na syukwa ban tempau hang ne bang asu sarang bang de udoyo jong ka snong hosinram. Te na don bentaru bat ka hima hosinram. Te kani ka jing yang tiang jong ka snong hosinram. Menumai ya kata ka NOC kata ka permission ban yatra nang ni sa hosinram ban le nyam te po krem kalau long ka jingjau nomor sisi ni ba yang triang belum ai ke commission kalau long KKI ke pasai so mendaksi nomor kalau penpoi sa ka put ba kihaban
Uba Roy Kupar Sinrem, Presiden Kahnyotreb Youth Council HYC, haka khatsau tarik Nailar, ulaya kendo ya Usamir Kant Jha, Deputy General Manager State Bank of India SBI, haka office trekam jongka habauri mansion dhan kiti, banyakran halor ka jingtmu jongka SBI ban thungkam tang saungut naki Samla ka Jylla naki kam balamang hadu lai phulai teli tang nakabenta ki red part scheduled tribe jongka Jylla. Usamir ulaya thu baki Samla ki balapas haka examine na Meghalaya kilong tang saungut. Yaki weipat ki batam ulaong bantung yaki ST na ki weipat ki Jylla kari India. Uba senrem ula berten daga bapen kan mau yaki kendon jang katanat trekam ka Sorkar India, Ministry of Personnel Grievances and Pension bantung hadu 90% na ka Shispa yaki group C bat D yaki ST. Ula ongru ha Usamir Kanjha lada ke SBI ka yadlat na kanika kendon jaga Sorkar India en penlong ka jingya ki persya ya ke SBI ha keleng ki jaka jangka Meghalaya. Ke SBI kala temu bantungkam hadu nyaupuh nyongut ki junior associate bat na kini lai pulangut ki dei ha ka top scheduled tribe na ka benta ka Jylla Meghalaya. Na ki lai pulangut lapas tang sangut na ST. Ki weipat ki batam la temu ban pendap da ki ST na ki weipat ki Jylla kari India. Halor kani ke jingtemu jang ke SBI uba senrem ulaya kendo ya u Deputy General Manager ke SBI menta kasni.
You want to discuss regarding this junior associate regarding the reservation of 44% for the skills. We got information that going to be discussed by whoever can take and give us a clarification. Let me talk to you. Nakaliang yung basay, manta kasni ngilawan menyikendu ya Deputy General Manager jangka Administrator Building jangka ni ka State Bank of India ke Peit ya ka Meghalaya halor ka jingyok jingtip ka jongi ba ke SBI lumba ka head office ke jangka ka Badan Aku Mumbai kala kot application na ka benta ki nyau tli ki post namta ki bank ki branch ke repair jangka SBI kum kita ki junior associate nyau tli ki post ki badai namta ka State Meghalaya hakaba lai pulai tali ipos la reserve nam taki ST bat kiwe lai pusau kade nam taki general pratali nam taki EWS bat nam taki SC la dangia kenma bro khot kadon ka instruction la ne ka UM office memorandum jong Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pension kabla penmi na du usnam arjasan hau arjar nyau kala penmi biang kum juru kala pen kenmau biang hau arjar ar ya baro kisna trekam jong ka sorkar India ba nakabenta ki post ki badai ka group C but group D dai banbu 100% ke reservation nam ta ki kena ki badai ki local kemut ki nong snong jong ki tu ki Jylla ki bawan na ka jat bendri riulum la ni ki ST 100% kata ka nam ta ki group C but group D ke kumba kalong ka ni ka post junior associate ka ni ka post ka bahap kata ka group C but la ringi pet ya advertisement ya ka bala penmi da ka SBI House nem arca arpulai mereka ni advertisement la penmi na du arca arpulai hakata advertisement labu ru ba nak benta nyau nak benta ka total number nyau nak nyau light flight li ki post la reserve nam taki ST jong ka state
Kaperton pulit yada kaput Border Security Force kala lekmen sngi lai loy daga ba penher ya ki lama kari India hatunum yeng hakeleng saudong ki ketem yada put bat ha umpling bat maupat ban pen inuk sa syakipat ba ban id bat ban nyokor ya la ka jong kari ki BSF kila sedang penher lama hatunum yeng haka khatlai khat saw bat khat san tarik Nailar kila penlongru ya kajing mare thong hakishnong kaput ban pen kenmau ya kipat ba ban id bat yada ya la ka jong kari kila kentu ya kipat ba hakishnong kaput ban penher ya kalama jong kari India halaki jong ki tunum yeng da ka mensim jong ka jing ngau sarong ya la ka jong kari Ka Christ College kabadon hakasnong umroy ribhoy district kabare ka way na kislam ay jingnang start hakatem ribhoy hakakhat South Tarik Nailar kala rakhe lepa ya kasngi light load bahnyo po nyo 77th hakaju kasngi la rakhe ya ka foundation day jong kani ka college Hakani kasngi uba Charles Marngar MLA bat MDC Mauhati uralong kongsan hakajing dan rengkat ke Reverend Sister Smruti Head Administrator ke Reverend Sister Dr. Grace Rose Principal kinong hikai bat kisamla pule hakani kashlem uba Charles habakran hakani kasngi ula ai mensi bat ai jingero ya kinong penya jong kani kashlem bat kumju ka jing sneng jing kraw bat kentu ya kisamla pule hakani kashlem Lapen shongkun shushu hakane ka jing rakhe de kisur jing ruai ki jing shat bar ki wei ki program na ki samla pule jong kani ka shlam jing stan
Independence Day is a time for reflection and renewal. It reminds us of the sacrifices made by countless individuals who fought for the freedom and values we hold dear. As educators, we should play a crucial role in upholding these values, fostering an environment of growth, and inspiring our students to be thoughtful and responsible citizens. My dear friends, at Christ College, I hope embody the spirit of independence through your dedication to academic excellence. Your commitment to ethical values and your relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each day, you contribute to shaping a society that values freedom. Each day, you contribute to shaping a society that values freedom, justice, and equality. It is through your efforts that we help ignite the potential in your students. Preparing
Ka Saint Dominic Higher Secondary School kalapenlong ya ka pre-Independence Day celebration haka khatsau tarik Nailar kum ka jingkan mau eat ya ka ni ka sneak crowd jong kari. Haka ni ka program layo banya lambat penyad da ubabu Jonatu Suchiang chairman harangkat ka jingdon ketilang u Reverend Padar Henry Warba kumukongsan, Padar Richard Louis Raptap principal, Reverend Sister Merciful Nongsid, Sister Aitihun Lawai, kinong hikai, kinong tre school bat ki khana school. U Reverend Padar Henry Warba ulaay ka jingkran halor ka jing light load bat ka jingkan mau eat ya baro ki kla ka white jong kari. Layo ban shimbanta da ka higher secondary school bat ka RCLP school halaki house. Ki khana school kan thai bat shenrang ka higher secondary bat na RCLP kila shimbanta da ka jingkmen bat ka jingshong shit haka march past competition. Ka red house kala ra ya ka nam la do haka ne ka competition. Lapan pu pen ping shu ya ka ne ka program lekmen da ki jing shat bat ki jing ruai halor ka phang jong ka Independence Day celebration. Lapan wai da ka jing ai khuble ya baro ki staff ki khana school bat ki kimi ki kpa jong ki khana da u Reverend Padar Henry Warba principal.
Convocation of this 70th Independence Day celebration in our school. Approaching is the Red House with the motto "Hope and Prayer." The flag bearer excited about it. The captain would keep Samla. The flag bearer just beat the flag. The first platoon, that is the voice of the Red House. It is followed by the second platoon of the Red House, the girls section, led by Miss Platoon Sucha. They are the second house in this competition of the March Past this year 2024. We have now the blue house, where the motto as study and service. Melvin Slavakar as the captain. One Panhoi Zemshai Manshami Kilopade as the placard bearer. And Jonatu Suchiang as the flag bearer. Second platoon, girls section. Very good, Mary Rashisha Robert as the commander of the girls platoon in this competition. The house is coming with their motto as the Manas. The captain, Lucky Adam, flag bearer, Emina Pasina, placard, the conference center.
Bat da kitu ki Khubor ing lapoi shaka bakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublei Shibun.